Hey everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back. And I am here with another, I'm going to say edition. Spellbinders just keeps pulling in these beautiful House Mouse sets. These two I thought were absolutely adorable. I loved the colors, very much inspired by those, and it is simply called Snuggle Up. And the cover is like really deceiving. I thought, when you turn it around, it's a pretty big image. It fills up a standard A2 size card base very well. I'm going to be using a piece of Canson XL watercolor paper because I'm actually going to use some Altenew watercolor pencils to color this image. And we're going to stick close to what the color choices are when it comes to the cover, because we can do that. Our covers, when the stamp sets come with the image already colorized or gives you inspiration on that, we can take those colors in and be inspired by what that looks like. I stamped this a couple times because this is very textured paper. I do love the fact that it is a red rubber stamp. The detail that you can get in a red rubber stamp is like no other. There is no clear photopolymer stamp that will give you the detailed image of a red rubber stamp. I'm sure somebody will say you're wrong, and that's okay, you can. I'm still going to believe that. That's just my opinion. I love red rubber stamps and how they look. So I am just going to very lightly add my color down. You can see how far back my hand is from the pencil's point or edge. The closer our hand is to that point, the harder pressure we will apply. I don't want to apply a lot of pressure. These are watercolor pencils, and they are woodless watercolor pencils. So it is all pigment in this barrel. There is a coating for where your hand will sit on the barrel so that you do not get the pigment all over your hands. Once I have the pigment down, I will pick and choose the areas in which I will add the water. I do use a brush and jar of water. I have better control with that. I do like watercolor brushes, but only if I'm traveling, which I don't do too much of that. But for me, a watercolor brush is difficult to control. I have better control when it comes to a brush and a glass of water or a pot of water. So here I'm activating the pigment, looking at each section at a time when it comes to putting the colors together. And this is how I will continue through this piece. I am going to turn on some music so that you can sit back, relax, and enjoy, or hopefully you are stamping your favorite image and coloring along with me with your favorite medium. So I will talk to you once we are done. And welcome back. Let's take our panel. We're going to put this onto a red, dark red piece of cardstock. And then we will set that down onto our standard A2 size card base, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And this is a top folding, even though it is a landscape card. I love the sentiment. The struggle is real. The snuggle is real. But the struggle is too, right? Yes, yes. I'm going to come in with my black glaze and just go over the eyes and add little tiny noses. And then we're going to add some pearl gems to the front of this. I was going to add some crystals, and then I thought against it. I wanted to add some dark brown pearls to this. I just love the house mouse. I think they are just so adorable, so cute. Snuggle. So I hope you enjoyed today's project. I hope you had fun coloring along with me. I hope you were. As always, the products that I used will be listed down below in the video description. And if you have any questions, make sure you leave those down below as well. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the thumbs up. And by all means, hit that bell so that you're notified when the next video is ready. I hope you're enjoying the 2023 Christmas series so far and the way that I've structured it. Lots of techniques. Remember, dig into that stash. We've all got one, so let's have some fun with it. Enjoy creating your art. Enjoy having fun. No stress, no tension, and no frustration. But remember what is most important for me. Always be creative, guys. And I'll talk to you in the next one. Till then.